and girls expect and deserve acceleration, redoubled effort, and an overdue recognition that what has been done does not suffice. What is being done is not enough, and what must be done can no longer be deferred. To that end, UN Women has undertaken a rigorous expert-led review of your reports, combined with an analysis of the realities women and girls face today. From this, we have identified 6 key actions and 1 cross-cutting imperative, forming a Beijing Plus 30 action agenda for the world deserving of our energy and investment. 1, harness technology for equality, for a digital revolution. The digital divide is now the frontier of inequality. Closing this gap for the 259 million women still without access to the internet has game-changing implications. Technology has the power to accelerate progress on every front, from ending violence to expanding economic opportunities. Equal access to digital skills, digital financial services, markets, and networks offer huge economic benefits for all of society. 2, freedom from poverty. Today, poverty continues to have a female face, with nearly 1 in 10 women living in the most extreme forms of poverty. Their economic disenfranchisement costs the global economy tens of trillions of dollars every year. Yet, when women thrive, economies thrive. Every dollar invested in women's economic empowerment returns multiple times over. Transforming care systems can unlock the time and resources for women to gain economic power, changing the trajectories of their lives. 3, zero violence. The prevalence of violence against women remains staggering. 1 in 3 women globally has experienced physical or sexual violence, most often by an intimate partner. Strengthening laws, rigorously enforcing them, and providing survivor-centered services breaks this cycle of violence. Investment in prevention of violence does not build safer communities. It also creates a foundation for equality and well-being for everyone. 4, redefine power structures to ensure full and equal decision-making power. Women remain unrepresented at every level of decision-making, with 3/4 of parliamentary seats held by men globally. When women are at the decision-making table, democracies are stronger. Put simply, inclusive governance is good governance. 5, women, peace, and security. When women have an equal voice in peacekeeping, peace lasts longer. Yet, time and again, women are excluded, making up less than 10% of peace negotiators worldwide. How can we repeatedly profess our commitment to peace while excluding women from its pursuit? We need fully funded national action plans for women, peace, and security, fully backed women-led organizations on the front lines of crisis, and fully gender-responsive humanitarian action. 6, advance climate justice. Climate change is the defining crisis of our time, and it is not gender-blind. Without bold action on climate, 256 million more women and girls could be pushed into food insecurity by 2050. Investing in green jobs for women could create 24 million jobs by 2030, fueling both the global economy and environmental sustainability. Climate justice and gender justice are inseparable. It is time to champion them both together. And our +1 imperative, young women and girls as agents of change.